Hi everybody, we're here with another segment from Drone Champs, and we got something special for you from our head of tech, Justin Pascua. JJ, mine guys, what do we got here, kid?
Well, first off, are you tired of your O3 unit disconnecting every time you have to change batteries? Not with this connector. This connector will let you keep flying even after a battery change.
So wait a minute, hold on here. You're telling me that you can hot swap this bad boy?
I'm telling you, there could be pit stops in drones now.
So this is revolutionary here, folks. This is a situation where the drone is not going to turn off. We're going to do a video right now showing you that Justin's going to pit, change the battery, and his video or the drone will never turn off. That's correct?
That is correct, yes.
All right, so let's get ready for this next flight.
Right now, we're going to plug in for our very first time, and you're going to see how long the O3 unit takes to connect to your goggles and your remote. And it's very annoying whenever you're in a movie shoot and you just want to get something really quickly, like a car chase or something like that. So, plugging in. Okay, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, 11 it is. Okay. 11 to 12 seconds it takes. That's how long it takes to connect to your O3 unit. Yeah, you can see how that gets pretty annoying and how you can miss so many shots in those 12 seconds. I've had this happen to me so many times. But here with our connector, I could show you that you won't need to ever let that 12 seconds bother you. So we're going to take a flight. Just going to hover around real quick. And let's say, oh, it's like low battery already. I got to come in. I got the shot. But there's another shot coming up. Land. Grab your drone. Grab your second battery. Plug it into the other slot. And look at this, folks. It is not gonna disconnect. It's still powered on. I still have goggles view. And I'm gonna disconnect the original battery. It will still be connected. That's the original battery. This is the new one. Just put it back in. And up in the air. That a lot quicker than waiting for that O3 to bind up to your remote and goggles again.